This is Scott the Fix-It Guy with a really easy, fast way to get your dishwasher draining again by removing a clog in your air gap. So I just pried off the top of the air gap, and then we found a clog, and it was a bunch of junk that was caught in the small tube, and it looked like it was maybe a toothpick that originally got caught there, and then a bunch of stuff formed around it. It was clogging the dishwasher, so we just lifted off the top and then pulled out the clog, and then it drained great again. So to get that air gap off, you just pull the silver cap straight up, and then you have to pry off the plastic top. Sometimes they have a screw plastic top. Here's the thing again, it was a toothpick and then a bunch of stuff around it. So it's a really quick and easy repair, very common problem for dishwashers because the air gap's part of the draining process and things get caught there.
Let's see if we can
really easy to fix.
There we go. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to sound. You hear that gurgling. Good deal. Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe when you get a chance.